Did you guys know that you can hard boil an egg in the air fryer? It's pretty amazing. Let's go check it out. So I'm just going to use some eggs, and I'm going to use my Ninja air fryer, the one with the basket. Most households seem to have that one, so I thought I would show you how easy it is to make hard-boiled eggs in there as well. I have not tried them yet in the oven, but I'm pretty sure it take just as long and taste exactly the same. So whichever one you have, I'm sure this recipe is going to work for you. It's very simple, very easy to do. You just pop them in there, and you're going to turn on your oven. You don't have to preheat it. Turn it to 270 for 16 minutes, and that's it. So after they got done cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and place them in some very cold water. I had it actually sitting in the refrigerator while they were cooking, and because I don't have ice, I have too many Schwann's things in my freezer to actually make ice, but most people put it in an ice bath, but this actually works out very well too, just having cold water. I just wanted to show you how easy it was to peel. And there you go. You can just go ahead and eat it like that. But I wanted to show you what it looks like on the inside. So I let mine cook for 16 minutes in the air fryer, and it is perfectly done. Now, if you like yours a little bit on the runny side, then just put it in for 14 minutes, and it'll be perfect for you that way. This would be so perfect too if you like to have egg salad sandwiches, which I love egg salad sandwiches. It's one of my favorite sandwiches. And also, I'm going to use it for deviled eggs, which I'm going to show you just a quick little recipe on how to make deviled eggs. So look how easy it is to just pop it right out of, pop the yolk right out of there. I mean, it just pops right out. You don't have to do anything. Like, sometimes I'll have to like scoop it and everything, but no, these are perfect. For my deviled eggs, I'm just going to use some Best Foods real mayonnaise. I firmly believe in the Best Foods real mayonnaise, and I'm just going to put 2 scoops of that in there and just kind of mix it all about. Try and get all those little clumps and mix it together so it's nice and smooth. Now that it's all nice and smooth, I'm just going to add a little bit of yellow mustard to it. Not a whole lot, just a little bit, just a couple little squirts in there. My grandma's secret recipe was always to use the bread and butter pickles. She loved those pickles, and she just used a little bit of the juice, just a little bit of that juice in there. And it's really going to make it nice and zesty and taste absolutely delicious. Now that that's all nice and smooth, let's go ahead and add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now I'm just going to start filling in all the little eggshells. I'm just going to use a spoon to just kind of put those in there. I have used a piping bag before, but that's usually when I'm taking them someplace and I want them to look just a little bit fancier. But you know, I'm just making these for me because I think they're so delicious, and they'll last me a couple days in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to go ahead and just spoon them in there, and I'm going to top it with a little bit of smoked paprika. Voila, we made eggs in the air fryer, and went ahead and made a couple little deviled eggs. Oh my gosh, they are so good, so tasty. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're getting some great ideas on how to use your air fryer, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.